one thing quickly I want to mention. So for everybody, you mentioned morning routine. So even in the beginning, the idea we are trying to implement and share is this is what you need to do. That does not mean that you have to get up at 5 o'clock, which is so difficult for you from 0 to 100 and then do these things. That means start first acknowledging and understanding these areas. Even start small, like put maybe 5 minutes of like just push-ups in your day for your body, and then just
Mm.
write one gratitude line. You don't have to do 5 lines if you are beginner, or just do 2 minutes of like quiet time. Just don't touch your phone for 10 minutes. Like all the
Yeah,
things we are sharing, we are not telling you exactly do what we are telling like you to do, or else it's not going to work. We are
yeah,
just telling and sharing the idea that this is important. Pick up what's really like lacking in your life at the moment, start working slowly and steadily, and as you grow, start picking other areas. But build that idea in your head that these are important, these three things are very important, and no matter if you grow in one area and you don't grow, or you force not to grow in other areas, you're still going
yeah,
to be kind of empty. But if
absolutely.
you're going to be open, it's going to help you grow in other areas too.